Hello there, everybody. I picked this up yesterday at a auction sale for about $6. This is a super box fan made by Galaxy, of course, and the model number is the same model number that they had for the Galaxy model 3713, and lo and behold, it's missing its handle. Actually, the handle was in the bottom of the fan, and as you guessed, in pieces. But I've been looking for one of these things for years. This sits really well right beside my torque can. I still have my green torque can. I love it. I'll never get rid of it for any sort of reason. But this is a prime example as to how things should be still made, because this thing is sweet and it delivers a lot of air. I've been looking for one of these for years. My neighbor had one, not the neighbor that had the yard sale with the little model I just showed you, but my other neighbor had one of these things, and they're perfect. They're great. You know, the ones you buy today, you gotta, if you have them on carpet, you gotta have them sitting on something, or they're gonna fall off, especially if you have big dogs. This is, I believe, a summer of 1991 issue that came to our catalog, and there it is there. And it was $32.87. And back then, if I hadn't only been a one-year-old baby, I would have paid that price. What I love about this fan, just the quality of it. And I just love that startup sound. It has 3 speeds on it. The speed control is there still, which is nice. I love the startup sound of it. Has the Galaxy motor in it. Beautiful motor, beautiful sounding motor as far as I'm concerned. Hang on a minute here, I'll just get this moved around. I'll try and give you a better way of listening to the motor, how it powers up. There you are, folks.